Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Anyway, it's long time no see. I haven't downloaded any videos because it's just so busy. So, this time guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano gumawa ng chiffon cake. Gagawin nating OB flavor chiffon cake guys. So, ito lahat ang ating mga ingredients. So guys, mayroon tayong cake flour dito guys. Mayroon tayong yolks, saka ito pala yung egg yolks, at saka ito yung kalimutan ko na, egg whites pala guys, sorry. So saka ito yung mga ingredients. Mayroon tayong sugar, mayroon tayong vegetable oil, mayroon tayong tubig, mayroon tayong baking powder. Yes, kalimutan ko na. Baking powder. Ayan, yung taga-camera ko guys. Saka mayroon tayong vanilla extract. At syempre, mayroon tayong OB flavor. At saka mayroon din tayong cream of tartar. Ito naman guys is yung OB milk. Optional lang ito guys. Saka mayroon din tayong OB halaya. So, yan lahat ang ating mga ingredients. Okay, guys? So, ang gagawin natin, of course, paghalo-haloin natin ang ating dry ingredients. So, paghaluin natin ang cake flour, saka sugar. Yung ating baking powder. Saka, lagay na natin yung ating salt. Okay? Lagay na natin ang ating tubig. Lagay na rin natin ang ating vegetable oil. Kahit anong oil siguro, pwede nyong gamitin. Lagay na rin natin ang ating vanilla extract. Okay, so paghalo-haloin muna natin. Alright guys, ayan, napaghalo-halo na natin ang ating ingredients. Tapos, lagay na natin ang ating egg yolks. Alright guys, so naghalo na natin ang ating egg yolks sa ating cake mix. So, ayan.
Go.
Alright, na-mix na natin ang ating egg yolk sa ating cake batter. Ngayon, ito ay optional guys. Okay, so, lalagyan natin ng ubi halaya. Para mas masarap siya guys. So, lagyan natin ng ubi halaya. Siguro mga ito guys, mga 1/4 cup. Okay. And syempre, maglalagay din tayo ng kunting OB flavor evaporated milk. So mga 1 tablespoon siguro. Para magiging OB flavor talaga ang ating chiffon cake. So optional lang yan guys. If you want a OB flavor chiffon cake, you can just do that. Otherwise, just original chiffon cakes. Okay?
Go.
Alright guys, syempre, lalagyan din natin ng OB flavor, yan, para mas makulay siya guys. So, tignan natin guys, para lalong maging perfect color ang ating OB chiffon cake. So, tignan nyo guys. Yan, tignan nyo guys. Dark na siya. Mas lalo siyang nag-dark. Mix lang natin. Alright guys, na-mix na natin ang ating flavor, ubi. So now, gagawin naman natin ang ating meringue. So ito yung, natin, egg whites. We're gonna put our cream of tartar. I forgot how much is that, Alright guys, so let's go! Gawin na natin yung ating meringue. Lagay natin ang ating cream of tartar. Dahan-dahan lang. So ayan, is that looks okay now? Right, Dave?
Yes, that's good. Stiff peaks is what you want, and that's what you have there.
Alright. So now we are going to mix na ang ating meringue sa ating cake. Alright. Okay, so mix na natin sa ating cake batter. Dahan-dahan lang, guys. Okay. So mix lang natin hanggang mag-ibon yung kanyang kulay. Alright. Na-mix na natin ang kulay, guys. Nag-even na siya. So, ilalagay na natin sa ating cake pan. Dito natin ilalagay sa ating malaking pan. Okay. Ibibake natin siya ng 350, what you call that? Fahrenheit. And we'll bake it for 30 minutes. Okay, guys? But you check to make sure it's already dry. Okay? If it's still not dry, then wait for another 5 minutes. But for now, we'll bake it for 30 minutes. Stop it, tap it. Okay. Alright, let's go and bake it. Ayan guys, tapos na ang ating ube chiffon cake. I-slice na natin to. Ayan guys, ito ang kasama kong nag-bake si Lucy. Hi Lucy!
Hello!
Ayan.
Done.
Yes, yan yung binake namin chiffon cake guys. So, tignan nyo guys, napaka-purple niya. Ang sarap. Okay. Okay, Lucy. Kuha ka na ng iyong cake dyan. Wala kayong paglagyan ng malaki guys. Kaya, nilagay na lang namin dito sa, sa may lamisa. So, look at that. Go ahead and try, Lucy. See what you think. It's still hot?
No. So, to show that it bounces.
Alright.
Good.
Yeah? Alright. So that's our chiffon cake, guys.
Another cake taste test.
Yeah, there you go. They will taste it too. What do you think, guys?
It's very good.
It's very good? Alright.
Look at your plate.
Alright guys, thanks for watching our
Thanks for
ubi
watching.
cake.
Okay, thanks for
It's a
watching.
success.
Yeah.
Mess it up.
Time to eat.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.